Hello everyone, welcome to week 8. I think this is a really interesting week, especially because we get to talk about public speaking. You'd be really surprised how many people are afraid to speak in public, and I was one of those people at the beginning of my career. It took me a long time to get used to talking in front of people and not to be intimidated by their presence. So take a look at the videos. I really like this TEDx video or TED-Ed video. It talks about stage fright and why people get nervous, and then talks about some coping mechanisms to overcome it. But it's going to be important for you in the field of communications to understand how to present and how not to get too terribly afraid in front of people when you're speaking, especially when you're in a healthcare setting, right? Be sure to do your week 5 or discussion number 5, week 8 discussion, and I think overall you're going to do a good job in this. And then you have some tips for your presentation right here that I want you to take a look up. And then, of course, lastly, a homework, stage fright survey homework. That's not a graded thing, but I want you to do it just to see where everyone's at so we can talk a little bit further about some of the challenges of stage fright. If you have any questions, please let me know. So far, people are doing really well. A lot of you have already sent me your APA document, which is great. Feel free to continue to send it on to me if you add things to it, or if there are new people that want to send it for my review. But I appreciate everything that you've been able to do so far, and I think that you're going to get a lot out of this week's video. Reach out if you need anything. Thanks so much for all you're doing.